How to write long captions on Instagram posts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can write long captions on Instagram post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to open up your Instagram. Make sure that your Insta is updated to its latest version. Now let us create a post. Tap on the plus icon on the middle bottom and then select a post. So I'll just select a random picture here and then tap on next. After you do that, you can then edit your post as you'd like, and under caption you can then paste your paragraphs. Now you can add a lot of text already in your caption. So as you can see, this paragraph is quite long itself. Now, even after you've done this, and let's say that you've run out of space here, I'll just copy this. And let's say if you've run out of your space on caption, you can tap on OK. And what you'll need to do here is tap on share. So after you share this, if you still have something to add, and since there is no option or no space on your caption, what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to add it to your first comment. So just tap on the paste button here and paste it. Now what you can do is you can actually pin the comment as well. After you've pinned the comment, now everyone can notice that this is the continuation of your caption. And that's how you write long captions on Instagram posts. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks.